Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to lesson 1.2 of chapter 1 from your computing book. Today we are going to learn how a network fits together, focusing on hub rooms and server rooms. You will find this content on pages 12 and 13. Let's begin. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the role of server rooms in network management. Describe how hub rooms expand local area network or LANs. Analyze how network components are connected within a school or business. So let's dive in and see how all these pieces fit together. A computer network is a group of connected devices that can share resources and communicate. This diagram shows clients, servers, routers, switches, and more. Each plays an important role in making the network work smoothly. Let's take a look on these important terms. A server is a computer on a network that provides a service to users. It stores files, manages data, and provides resources to other devices. There are different types of servers, like file servers, print servers, and email servers. Clients are the computers or devices that use the resources provided by the server. When you open a file or print a document, your computer sends a request to the server, and the server sends back the needed data. A hub is a simple network device that sends data to all connected devices, even if it wasn't meant to them. This can slow down the network if too many devices are active at the same time. Unlike hubs, switches send data only to the intended device. This makes the network faster and more secure. Those switches cost more. They are ideal for busy environments like schools and offices. A router connects your local network to other networks, usually the internet. It helps direct data to the right destination and keeps everything running smoothly. A modem helps networks with different formats talk to each other. It changes internet signals so they can be understood by your devices at home or in a school. A web or wireless access point allows devices to connect to the network wirelessly. You'll often find these on ceilings or walls. They help extend the network and reduce messy cables. Twisted pair cable. This type of cable uses twisted copper wires to send electrical data. It's affordable and common, but limited to about 100 meters in length. Fiber optic fiber cable. Fiber optic cables use light signals instead of electricity. They are faster and can cover longer distances, making them perfect for large networks like schools and businesses. Server room. A server room is the heart of a network. It is a dedicated space to install all servers, hubs, and switches to manage network operations. At the center of a network is the server room. It houses the servers, hubs, and switches. Server rooms need air conditioning to avoid overheating and keep systems working properly. Server rooms require air conditioning to prevent overheating. High temperatures can cause system failures and affect performance. Servers must be connected to hubs or switches to send and receive data. Data passes along a single cable between uh, Data passes along a single cable between the server and a hub or switch. Every device in the network connects to a hub or switch. Each connection uses its own cable. Hub room. Hub rooms are used when you need to connect a space that's more than 100 meters away from the server room. Copper cables cannot reach that far, so a hub room is set up nearby to help extend the network. Sometimes you need to connect an area of a building to a network that is more than 100 meters away from the server room. This can be done with copper cable or twisted pair cable. The electrical signals won't transmit that far, so a hub room is set up close to the area that is going to be connected to the network. Let's see what are the features of a hub room. A hub room extends network connectivity beyond 100 meters when copper cables cannot reach. It doesn't contain servers, only hubs and switches. Every network socket in the connected area linked to a hub or switch inside the hub room uses fiber optic cable to transmit data between the hub room and the main server room. It ensures large buildings and distant areas can still connect to the network efficiently. It helps distribute data traffic and maintain smooth communication across different sections. Now look at this diagram. This diagram illustrates how the server room connects to the hub room via a high-speed fiber optic cable, and the hub room distributes network access to multiple clients using twisted pair cable. Now it's time for an activity. In your practical files, draw the plan of the school area shown on page number 13. Count the network connections for each room: classrooms, IT lab, office, and storeroom, and find out how many are needed in total. Here is your extra challenge. First, suggest two rooms where the hub cabinet could be installed. Second, check whether two 24-port switches are enough or if the school needs to buy more. Show your conclusions. For homework, answer these two questions in your notebook. First, give an example of where a fiber optic cable is used in a LAN. Second, explain why hub rooms are used in LANs. Want to stay updated and explore more learning resources? Join our Google Classroom. Just send an email request to abstagir@gmail.com and get access to video lessons, quizzes, assignments, and more, all in one place. If you learned something new today, that's fantastic. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another exciting lesson. Keep exploring and stay curious.